guys, it's your girl Rare Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell their mama and them and their partners and them and their homies and them, because we litty over here. As y'all can see, we at the nail table, also known as the unboxing table. So yeah, y'all, I had a previous Temu little haul. I didn't buy anything but mask, and I have like these little Kirby gems, because I'm thinking about doing something hot Barbie pink, or I don't know. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone of my usual colors that I be painting my nails. So yeah. So I'm not sure, like, depending on where everybody's located, if you still gotta wear a mask or this and that. But Temu, they do have the disposable face mask for adults and kids for the cheap. Definitely cheaper than Amazon. And they came well packaged. Some of the boxes were crushed for some reason. I guess that's like a thing. I don't know if they're not handling these little packages with care, but maybe, yeah, they be crushed. But yeah, I bought me a few boxes of masks. So yeah, I didn't do that on camera because I would have been boring. But we got some right here. Let me move it on up a little bit. Okay. Now I just been ordering certain stuff like I like, or certain stuff I feel like I need. Let's see. This first thing is a fan, because I need another fan on my desk, my work desk, because I work from home. So I wanted one, and I think this is a chargeable one, or you could plug it up with the USB cord and you can clip it on the desk. So I felt like this is definitely something good to invest in, especially if you work from home, or if you want to clip it on the side of your bed, stuff like that. By the time y'all see this, it might be before or after my grandmother's birthday, but we just buying, or my nana, she hated me calling her grandma, my nana, a little something, got her this. It's a journal. It says to mom, which is from my mom to my nana. Let me take this out of here, because it's glare. So it says, to mom, you mean the world to our family. You are my first friend, my best friend, and forever friend. You are the one who can take the place. Hold on. Okay. You are the one who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. There is no role in life that's more essential than your special position. I heart you, my mom. So I thought this was cute. This is a little journal for her to write in. My nana, and she likes stuff that's like vintage and stuff like this. That's something that we always had in common. We always like vintage stuff, like stuff that look like old school, classic stuff. Like my nana's favorite movie, well, two of her favorite movies is Funny Lady and Funny Girl with Barbara Streisand. We always watch that. We actually need to set up a date to have like a movie night so we can watch that. I remember when I first seen it with my nana, I was like glued to the television screen, like glued. And that's just like one of our favorite movies. What's this? This is a ring I had seen. They be having some cute stainless steel rings. Hopefully this don't turn, but it's a cute ring. This is in the size 12, I think. It has like glitter. So it fit. Just something a little cute to wear when my nails is done. What spin? Oh, I thought this spin. I was gonna go, oh gosh, because I got spinny rings, fidget rings. I got this for cheap. This is a edge control brush, even though I barely got edges. And then y'all seen this, because y'all know I love the MCM, baby. But this says MGM, and they had this in cognac, I want to say pink and black colors. I didn't care that this said MGM. I wanted it so I can put it on my MCM purses or book bag. And this was like $3 something, for like $3. So I guess you can use it as like a key ring. Put your keys in there, or like your key fob, and hang it on there. So I thought this was definitely cute. Definitely cognac. Cognac. What else? Y'all, I seen this and thought this was so cute. Who is this? I think it's, the cat is called Lucifer. Where is he from? He's from a Disney movie. I'm not sure, but I got this to put on one of my purses. I'm going to be switching out purses soon. I'll definitely be doing a what's in my purse on my current bag. And I just thought this was cute because the color goes perfect with my bag. And then I think like somebody that I know called me a cat lady because I don't have kids. And they're like, you're just going to be an old lady with cats. Well, guess what? I'm the cat's meow. Purr. Purr. Like, that's fine. I actually want a cat. Thank you very much. They also have these stainless steel earrings. I got one for me and one for my mom. Our ears are sensitive. So this is like kind of like the ones that you'll see in a dollar store, but you know they be taxing in a dollar store. And these were like, I think $1, possibly. Yeah. So I got her one and got me one. I got some. Oh, I thought these was bigger. Need some stainless steel hoops. I thought they were bigger. Oh gosh. I have some eyelash tweezers. I think I'm gonna start back wearing my lashes. Just because I got so many lashes and I need to start wearing them. And then this is a fan. Once again, the box. Toe up to the flow up. Make you wanna throw up. That's what Shanae said off of Martin. Let me see. It's a bladeless fan. I got it because it's purple. And it's also good to have like, oh, and it blows. Oh, it feels good. Yeah, this is good to have like in the summer. You charge it with this little thing, USB. I didn't want to stick my hand through it while I was blowing my, because I don't know where the air's coming from. It's coming from out of here, but see, if I was a child, I would turn this on and do that, but I don't. I'm gonna be responsible because I don't want to break it or I don't want a freak accident to happen. But yeah, y'all, this is my mini little Temu haul thing situation. I see Temu is definitely popping in the YouTube community. Like everybody's doing Temu hauls, whether it's mini or like over $300. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm actually buying stuff that I'm gonna use, or you know, stuff for family members. I know if I might see it already or in the future, I bought stuff for my nana for her to use, you know, especially when I go to her house for like cooking and stuff to make stuff easier. But yeah, I'm not just about to be buying stuff just to be buying stuff just to be like, hey, I'm doing a Temu haul. But I'm actually getting stuff that I think that, you know, y'all, my family could use. You know, fans. This fan was under, both of those fans each were under like $10 or $8. So they were very cheap. Definitely cheaper than what you would get on Amazon. Because sometimes I just go on Amazon just to be, you know, nosy. Because I don't have Prime no more. Because it's not even worth it, like, in my opinion. And that's just personally in my opinion. But I went on Prime and just looked at different type of products that they had similar to Temu. And they're just expensive. They are. And I'm just like, I can't do it. So definitely check out Temu if you haven't. None of these videos that I'm posting is paid advertisement or any type of anything. Ain't nobody paying me to do this. I'm spending my own coins to get this stuff, and I'm actually using this stuff. So I don't know, hopefully y'all are enjoying these little Temu hauls. I got a few more, and then after that I'm cutting myself off because I'm already just, you know, slowly but surely cutting myself off of certain things. So it's just like now I'm starting to buy just to be buying. I'm becoming a hoarder. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.